To fix Shopify pages not showing up, start by checking the page status. Ensure the page is published and visible to the public. You can do this by going to the Shopify admin panel, clicking on Online Store, then Pages, and verifying that the page you are trying to access is set to visible. Next, check the page URL to ensure it matches the URL in your Shopify admin panel. If the URL is incorrect, update it and try accessing the page again. Also, ensure that the page is not set to require a password, as this can prevent it from showing up. Another common issue is theme-related problems. Try switching to a default Shopify theme to see if the page shows up. If it does, then the issue is with your current theme and you may need to consult with a developer or the theme's support team to resolve the issue. Additionally, check for any conflicts with third-party apps. Try disabling all apps and then re-enabling them one by one to see if any of them are causing the issue. It is also important to check your page's meta title and description, as these can affect how the page is indexed by search engines. Furthermore, ensure that your Shopify store is set up correctly, including your domain settings. Verify that your domain is pointing to the correct Shopify store and that the SSL certificate is installed and configured correctly. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be worth checking the Shopify status page to see if there are any known issues that could be affecting your store. You can also try clearing your browser cache and trying a different browser to rule out any browser-specific issues. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix the issue with your Shopify pages not showing up, and get your online store up and running smoothly. Remember to always keep your Shopify store and themes up to date to minimize the risk of issues like this occurring in the future.